Queen T and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you too can become a part of my Royal Squad. If you're already a part of my Royal Squad, thanks for continuing to rock with your girl. Today I'm going to do an attempt at a glueless install on this wig that I received from Megalook. So here's the wig. I've already washed the wig, conditioned it, and plucked it. Normally I do my wig preparation on my mannequin head, but I wanted to show you guys today the process that I go through before I install my wigs. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I've already got my wig cap on. I'm not even going to do a bald cap today. We're going real simple today. So I just got my stocking cap, got my edges gelled back, got my stocking cap on. I put a little bit of foundation on my stocking cap. And so we're going to go ahead and get into it. What I've done is, this wig is 18 inches. And it came with 4 combs, you guys. It had one on each side, one in the middle, one in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it also came with an elastic band. This is going to add extra security and help us with our glueless install. If you guys have been rocking with me, you know that I take out those combs because they snatch on my hair and stuff. So I normally take the combs out. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. I went ahead and took the adjustable straps and I hooked them together. This is also going to give us a tighter hold and more security to do this glueless install. So wish me luck. Now you see me going in with my wax stick across the front of the wig. I'm going to go ahead and hot comb all that hair back so that we can get a flat lay and get this thing slayed. Now you see me going in and cutting off those side tabs on this closure. When you're working with the closure, it's real important that you cut those little side pieces off. It's going to give you the illusion of having a full frontal if you do that. Now I'm going to go in with this mousse and I'm going to lay it all across the front of the closure, and that's going to help us to mold this unit and help it become glueless. Now you want to go in with your elastic band. I am using the 1/2 inch elastic band because I just want the very front of this closure to lay down flat. This is going to help it be mold to your head and become glueless. Now I'm going in and I'm going to clean up that part. So I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb. The key to a flat install, ladies, is to use that hot comb. Use that hot comb. Use that hot comb. It will be your best friend. Now I'm going in and I'm spraying the hair down with water. And I'm going to use my paddle brush to brush that through. And then I'm going to use my Nairobi foam to go ahead and get these curls popping. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, but I'm not going to show that on camera. I'm just trying to get this video to not be so long, you guys. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is gonna be? Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to cut the lace. And you want to cut it as close to the hairline as possible.
Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Okay, now I'm going to go in. I'm going to carve out my hair for my baby hairs. I'm doing 2 light baby hairs today. I'll go ahead and do this one on camera. And I'm going to do the other one off camera.
Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. Fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road. But I get to the back.
Once I get the baby hair carved out, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it down. And then I'll use my pencil-sized flat iron to curl them up. And I'm going to go ahead and begin to swoop the baby hair.
I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
I'm just using the Nairobi foam to go ahead and swoop these baby hairs.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep.
Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to pluck these baby hairs because they're a little bit too thick for me. I like baby hairs, but I need them to look more like adult swoops.
Baby squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Now I'm going in with my knot eraser from Hair Fetish. It's like a concealer. I'm going to go into that part so I can make it pop. It's real important that when you have a part that you put some kind of concealer or something in there so that the part will pop for you. Just makes your whole install look better.
I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane.
Okay, so I'm back, you guys. I had to stop filming because I had to go to a baby shower, so that's why I was getting ready, and that's why I decided to go ahead and film this and try this. I didn't have a whole lot of time, but I'm back from the baby shower. So I have been wearing this wig completely glueless today now for about 6 hours. I didn't have any sliding back, no lifting or anything like that, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys that it is completely glueless. You'll be able to take this on and off. So for those of you ladies who don't like the whole glue thing, or intimidated by the whole glue thing, or just can't sleep in your wigs every night and reapply them every day, this will be for you. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. Completely glueless. I was riding around on my way home today. I had my sunroof open. Hair was blowing in the wind. It still felt secure. The key to it is this elastic band that's in the wig. That's what's going to help hold it down and give you that security to get you through. Now, I wouldn't go roller coaster and I wouldn't go zip line or anything like that with it on. However, to get you through the day, a little light wind, maybe not the Chicago wind, but a little light wind, you'll be just fine. Now, we'll go ahead and talk about this hair. I got this wig from Megalook, and I think it's 18-inch. 13 by 4, no. Oh, this is a 4x4 closure. That's right. This is a 4x4 closure, transparent lace. And right now, you guys, I just looked online. The wig is like $95 and some change. It was that price when I got it too. When I got this wig several months ago, I just now decided that I wanted to wear it and install it. But it's been that price for a while. But this hair, I didn't get very much shedding. The shedding that I did get was from me plucking it. So I did pluck it. I didn't bleach the knots because they already came bleached. Because I think because of the way that they colored the hair, they already came bleached. But I did pluck it. It was plucked pretty good. But like you guys know, I'm extra, so I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna pluck some more. But if you're not a plucker and you don't like to pluck, or you don't want to mess up, it'll be fine the way that it comes out the box. I did wash it though, and condition it with my silicone mix. I love that stuff. I use that on all my wigs. It helps preserve the longevity of your wigs too. It's a real deep conditioner. I let it sit on there for about 15 minutes and rinse it out after I wash it, and we're good to go. Now this hair, I didn't get a lot of tangling. There's some tangling, but that's because because it's curly. But like I said, I didn't get any shedding. I'm not getting any shedding. The hair is super soft, and I like the way it looks when it dries. This is how it looks when it's dry, and it's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. You guys saw me when I sprayed it down. I put the product on it, and all I used on it was some water and my Nairobi mousse. And then I sprayed some of this, it's a Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat. It's a heat protectant, but it also gives the hair a little shine. So I use that when I get ready to flat iron, or excuse me, hot comb my edges and stuff like that, just to give it some protection. Then at the end, after I finish install, I spray a little bit on there just to give it some shine. Now I want to talk about this new product that I tried, and this is what I use to help with the glueless install. It's She's Bomb, and it's a toning foam. So what that means is like it'll tint your lace. So it comes in, I think, 4 different colors. The one I have is Sweet Caramel. I did get this on Amazon, but it helps to tint your lace, and it also helps to mold that lace down to your head. So that's what helps make it glueless and help it stay down and maintain its shape. So I will link all the information to the products that I'm used in this install down in this description box below, so be sure to check that. I will definitely put the link to this wig in there. You don't need a coupon code or anything. It's like $95.80, but this was really a good deal. I think that a wig for under $100, and it's a very nice, decent wig. I've gotten several wigs from Megalook, and I really do like their wigs. They also run promotions all the time, buy one, get one free, and they're not really expensive on the buy one, get one free. I've got a few cute wigs for like $100, maybe $120, where I get like 2 wigs for the price for that price. So check out that website too. Look around on that website, not just for this wig, but for other wigs. Their hair has been pretty decent. I probably have about 3 or 4 wigs from them, and I'll be doing reviews on those. Like I said, I know I've taken off some time, you guys. I've been out of the game for about 6 months, just had to get it together, recoup, recharge, and now I'm back on the game. So I have a lot of content for you guys. I have a lot of wigs that I want to review for you guys, because one thing that did not stop while I was taking this hiatus was the fact that I was buying wigs. Anybody that knows me, y'all know me. I'm gonna buy me a wig. That's my thing. You have your thing, I have my thing. But we'll go ahead and we're gonna do a length check so you guys can see. Now I'm like 5 feet. Almost 5 feet 1. I'm 5 feet 1/2 inch, and like I said, this is an 18 inch. But remember, when it's curly, it's not going to be probably that's 18 inches stretched. But even still, I think it's giving me 18, maybe 16, but stretched, it definitely would be 18. So that's what the length looks like on me. And again, remember, I'm 5 feet 1/2 inch. But here is the front. Here's the side. Here is the back. And here is the other side. So now I did go ahead and I did a, even though it's a 4x4 closure, I had a little bit of room to go ahead and do a deep curve part. So you have a little bit of room, and then, or you can do a bust down middle part, or you can do on this side. But you don't have a whole lot of space, but you have enough space to do that, as you guys can see. And I just kind of wanted you guys to see this hairline. I think it looks really good, and it looks really natural, especially to be glueless. The lace on this is really good. Like I said, it was transparent lace. I did not have to bleach the knots. And then I think that's probably about it, you guys. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And remember to like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you have not already. I would so much appreciate it. I'm trying to get to at least 500 subscribers. We'll do a wig giveaway if I get to 500 subscribers. So come on and join the Royal Squad. Remember, if you don't chase your dreams, you'll never catch your dreams. Until next time, bye.